Hey everyone, I'm going to give you all a quick rundown of the job site here. We're going to do this whole video in one take. We're in a back road. A passerby called in a tree on the power lines. I'm going to back away from this chainsaw a little bit. So in our province, we have a joint use agreement with trees on the lines. Basically, whether it's on the communication or our lines, we look after it. Now this case is a little bit different. We've got our power lines on this side of the road and communication lines are on this side of the road. So this is a stand-alone communication line. This stuff here, trees going through the span, we're not concerned about that in the least. What makes this tree reported today our concern, we've got these overhead guys above me holding the corner on that three-phase pole. So we'll just take a walk over here. Pretty big tree. We'll see the boys are up in the air now picking away at it. So that's the broken tree. They already cut the piece. It was actually draped right over the communication lines and laying on the ground. That's the rest of the guy there. Pretty big fella. That's completely busted off at the butt. If that comes down on the communication line, that's when we're gonna lose our pole. That's big enough to break the pole. But while we're picking away here, we look up and over my head. Yeah, massive tree. That'd be, at least 60 footer as she's bent over. That guy's uprooted. Right there. You can get a better angle at it right here. Ton of weight on that guy. So ultimately what we're going to do, we're going to take care of this tree here, take down those two guys there, and call her a night. Our job site's set up. You could probably hear that car that just sped by. We've got 10 workmen ahead signs. There's no passing zone signs, construction crew ahead, flaggers ahead. We've got a huge work area. Apparently my lens is dirty. It's a pretty big work area, all coned off. Flaggers on either side. Boys should have this wrapped up pretty quick. They got two saws going at the same time. We'll observe them doing some cuts for a few minutes. So that tree's hung up. There's no worry of it coming down. But you do want to start by shedding off all the weight. Follow on the bucket on the left using the battery saw. Man, this guy's a big one. It's going to be a fun one to take down. Pretty standard stuff here at this point. I'm not gonna bore you to death by filming them cutting this whole tree down limb by limb. This guy's gonna be a little bit more tricky. Anyways, I'm going to drag some of that brush out of the middle of the road here. Not going to work underneath the boys. I'll wait till they start running next. Busy couple days. We've been doing having crews out around the clock for the last couple days. Lots of great stuff coming up this week. Thanks for stopping in, guys, as always, and we'll see y'all soon.